Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to enable personalized ads in TikTok. If you want to receive ads tailored to your interests and preferences, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open TikTok on your device and ensure that you're logged in to your TikTok account. Step 2. Tap on Profile from the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to open the menu options. Step 4. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy to access the settings and privacy options. Step 5. Within the settings and privacy options, look for and tap on Ads. This will allow you to customize your ad preferences. Step 6. Toggle the option for personalized ads. By enabling this feature, you'll receive ads tailored to your interests and preferences. By following these simple steps, you can enable personalized ads in TikTok and receive more relevant and engaging advertisements. We hope you found this guide helpful in enabling personalized ads in TikTok. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more personalized TikTok ad experience.